In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Proton Pass app on Android. By the end, you will have Proton Pass ready to open on your phone, so follow along on your own screen. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. You will usually find the Play Store icon on your home screen or inside your app drawer, with a multicolored triangle logo. When you tap it, the main Play Store page will load, showing featured apps and a search bar at the top. Wait for that home page to appear fully before moving on, so the next step works smoothly. Now, use the search bar at the top of the Play Store. Tap into it and your keyboard will appear. Type the words Proton Pass carefully. A small tip here, if you type Proton only, you may see several Proton apps, so adding the word Pass helps narrow it down. Once you finish typing Proton Pass, tap the search button on your keyboard. The store will refresh and show a list of matching apps. From the search results, select Proton Pass Password Manager. Look for the app icon with the Proton style design, usually in purple and white, and the title that includes Password Manager, so you know it is the right one. When you tap that result, you will open the Proton Pass app page, which shows the app name at the top, along with the install button, its rating, and screenshots of how it looks. Before you install, verify that the developer listed under the app name is Proton AG. This line appears just below the app title. Confirming the developer is Proton AG tells you that you are getting the official Proton Pass app, not an imitation. If the developer name is different, stop here and recheck your search, because only Proton AG is the genuine publisher. With that checked, tap the install button. It sits near the top right of the app page and turns into a progress indicator as the download begins. On a fast connection, the download and installation may take only a few seconds, but on slower networks it can take a little longer. While this runs, you can watch the progress bar fill, and once Android finishes installing, the button label will change automatically. After install completes, tap Open. You will find this Open button in the same place where Install used to be on the app page. Tapping Open launches Proton Pass for the first time, and you should now see the Proton Pass welcome screen on your device. From here, you can either sign in with your Proton account or create a new one, and the app is fully installed on your Android phone. You have now successfully downloaded and opened the Proton Pass app on your Android device, so if this helped you get it installed, please give the video a quick thumbs up and consider subscribing for more simple privacy app guides.